Dear students, today we will learn C language part 2. Data types in C. A data type specifies the type of data that variable can store, such as integer, floating, character, etc. Data types in C: basic, derived, enumeration, void. These are the following data types in C language. Please subscribe my channel. Types: basic data type, primitive; derived data type, enumeration data type, void data type. Next, data types. Data types are integer, character, float, double, array, pointer, structure, enum, void, and one more, union. Please subscribe my channel. Basic data types. Integer. All integers values are called integers. Examples: 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, negative values: -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. It can store 2 bytes of space in the memory. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, 0 to 7. 2 byte is equal to 16 bits, 0 to 15. It means we can store 0 to 15 digits in 2 bytes. Its range -32768 to 32768. Characters. Any key values from keyboard, like example A to Z, like capital letters, small letters, integers 0 to 9, special characters, so on. It can store 1 byte of data in a memory location. Its range -128 to 127. Float. Float contains number with decimal value. It means after point value. Examples: 12.34, 2.67, so on. It can store 4 bytes of data. Double. It's same as float data type, but difference is it can be stored 8 bytes of data, 4 plus 4. There are different types of data types are there. In this, 4 data types are important: int, char, float, double. Please subscribe my channel.